So welcome. Yeah, this is exciting. Peter,
Yes,
coffee ready?
coffee is ready in the mug. Hot coffee, and strong talks about real estate.
Oh, great stuff. You can
That's
start
it.
us off today. Go for it.
Yes, I think today is a very interesting topic
Mm.
because I think for the first time in the real estate history, when this book was published, the ideas that formed in the industry took form, so that you don't have to be an agent for the rest of your life
Yes.
and
Yes.
wonder what you will live from if you retire one day.
Yeah, and here's the thing. We are all only one person. We only have 24 hours a day, like everybody else in the world. And I think the leverage, and I think one of the biggest leverage we have, and we've been talking a lot about this at the moment, is AI. I mean, that's so massive in our world because we can use it to work smarter. We can use it to save time. We can use it even as an assistant or two or three in our real estate business directly
Mm.
and save a lot of money. I mean, there's not a lot of cost involved in that. What do you think, Peter?
Yeah, no, definitely. We've seen the AI development in our industry so far, and yeah, I try to keep with it, but it's going too fast for me to keep up. But I try to keep up with everything. Luckily, we have someone like Ronald that will guide us and can guide us through the whole process and develop with the AI in our industry.
Yeah, that's okay, and it's one step at a time. Everybody online, don't feel overwhelmed with AI. Do what you can, learn what you can. Just don't do nothing. Even if you just ask one question, it's something better than nothing, because then it means like you have opened either ChatGPT or Gemini. And remember, with Keller Williams, we have the Gemini Pro. So go and use Gemini Pro. So I think today's session, well, I think the biggest thing is leverage gives us freedom. I mean, that is the what is it? The true leverage is multiplying results through others, and others can mean tools and systems as well. It's not just directly people.
Yeah.
And we don't want to add more on our plate. And I think the biggest challenge is, as real estate agents, we have the following mindset around, it's okay, I can do everything. I am not going to spend money also even on hiring an assistant one day, because I can do it all. I don't need AI. I can do it all. In fact, if you can get 5 hours of freedom every week, 5 hours every week, so it's 1 hour a day, by utilizing AI in your world, by doing comparative analysis, market updates, property descriptions, and also just go and read through it as well. But I mean, with the CMA, what you feed it and what you tell it, that's what it's going to put out. How much time can we save on just using the CMA tool?
Depends on what you can do, what you can get from 5 hours more lead gen, and that's amazing.
Yeah, I hear you. And Peter, okay, so you are practically using the CMAs because you were a real estate agent full-time as well.
Yes.
So please share with me, how long did it used to take you to do a CMA versus doing it right now by using AI and the prompts Ronald shared with us?
Yes. Well, to do a proper CMA, I think it will take you not less than an hour and a half. Definitely not. Currently, with the right prompt on AI and with the files that you can give them, property report and area report, maybe 2 minutes.
Sure. Oh, okay, hold on. Okay, so I mean, I even think an hour and a half that's a short time, because I know I used to spend, especially in the beginning of my real estate career, it took me 2 to 3 hours just because I didn't know what I didn't know.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's use 2 hours as an average for everybody. Now it's taking you 2 minutes, so you are getting back 1 hour and 58 minutes just from one CMA.
From one CMA. I mean, if you give him the data files, 2 data files, and you give them the master prompt, and you hit the enter button, and you turn around and have a cup of coffee, time you fill up your cup, you come back, it's there. You download the CSV file or the Word file, and you can just go through the file and see if it's correct according to your knowledge for the area, and you can use it.
What's amazing about this is you can build different assistants or agents for yourself in AI. So you can have one for CMAs, you can have one for replying to your emails or drafting your emails, and you can send it. You can have one for, there is so many different agents. You can build your whole organizational model on AIs.
Yes.
You're going to need people only to meet with people. People will meet with people. So you might, I wonder how much money we can save just by utilizing this, because if we had to get a valuer every time we wanted to do a proper CMA to make sure that it's very accurate, I mean, that cost is anything from 2.5 to about 5,000 rand. Here we are also saving that total amount because you have a monthly subscription on chat. By the way, on Gemini, we have it already included in Keller Williams. So you save money, you save time, and the people that you eventually will hire in your team will probably be helping you with face-to-face with being with people.
Yes.
So let's talk about people. I mean, and I think it's a question is who needs to do what and when do they need to do it? People bring systems. So when you bring that AI persona in your business, it brings a system with as well. Yes, Peter.
Yes.
You want to add something here?
Yes.
My mind is going all over with this.
Yeah. No, there's too much for 15 minutes in the session. But anyway, I think the leverage of people, we must ask ourselves the question, what in my business could someone else do better or more efficiently so that I can do the core of my LLL work?
Yeah, I've got some questions for everybody on the call. Peter, do you include it because you are physically in real estate doing business? Which 20% of your tasks create 80% of my results, and which can be delegated? I think we already mentioned quite a few on this call. What missing system would allow me to step out of my daily chaos? Because we can create chaos around us as real estate agents. I mean, come on, everybody, that if you're a real estate agent, you can relate. How do Command help us here? Command, Smart Plans, my transaction system on Command. I'm not sure who's using opportunities in Command by also sending your OTP on Command through opportunities to your MCA in your office. How easy is that? We're getting in a paperless environment and everything is stored on Command. No missing documents, because if you use opportunities from the lead to the listing, your FICA documents will be there, your mandate will be there, your Lightstone will be there, your property condition report will be there, or declaration, your
Lightstone will be there.
Thank you, Peter.
Yeah.
Eventually, your OTP, your FICA, the question there already from the beginning. The only one that you will need at the end is your buyers, because you don't have the buyer's details in the beginning. So, okay, Peter, are you using Command in that way? Opportunities, uploading your OTP, sending it to your MCA like that?
Yes, as soon as I receive documents, I import that to my opportunities with the person that I've got on my list, opportunities, and then it's very easy to add documents to that. As I receive the documents, I put them in there. And once I receive the OTP, it's only the OTP, the cover sheet, and the details of the buyer, and I push a button and it sends itself to Albert, our MCA.
I love that. And now it's on your opportunities on your phone as well.
Yes.
Open it, it's there. You don't have to worry about finding details or OTPs or anything in the contract, because you have it right here on your app with your phone. So that's another leverage system. It saves us time. We don't have to go back to the office, get a file, or print something. Oh, I don't have a printer at home. Okay, I need to go to the office again. Just hear me out. We are here to save time with a lot of systems and tools. And if you don't know how to use opportunities, we can do a training session with that too. And,
yes. And the nice thing about the opportunity, you've got your numbers at hand. You know exactly what you are going to get in the future. Everything is calculated for you, so you know your budget, you know your numbers. The path is in the math.
The path is in the math.
That's right.
I have another question for you. Who's going to be your first hire in your real estate business right now? You are an individual agent.
Yes.
You are a capper, and I think you have just made the Millionaires Club as well.
Yep.
Who will be your first hire now? Because what's next? What's next in your business?
Yeah, no, definitely an assistant. And if I do that, if I double up another assistant.
No, but before that, let's start before we hire people. Who will be that first hire?
Who will be that?
Your AI assistant.
Of course, yes. But
persona that you can create, your organizational model, and this once again saves you time.
Yeah.
So everybody that's on the call, you do not have to immediately hire that admin assistant that's going to cost you monthly. You can just set up your AI in such a way that you have more time to be in front of clients or to lead generate, to go out to those listing appointments and the viewing appointments.
Yeah. My AI is so part of my business that I don't even think of that as someone that I have to incorporate. Yes, but it is.
Yeah, and the MREA talks about you need to do 36 transactions, then you need between 24 and 36 transactions, and you're going to need your first admin hire.
Yes.
I can tell you now, with the AI in our world, I think you can do more transactions.
Yes.
That means more profit and more money in your bank account.
That's right. Now, the MREA with this column that they point out the 7 levels. I think it's extremely important that we look at that. And I wish Gary will revise the book and put in the AI as well. That'd be interesting, definitely.
Any last thoughts you want to share with us, Peter, before we land this plane today?
No, I think it's extremely important that we use the leverage that we can use. Leads, listing, leverage. Always remember the 3 L's. Yeah.
And no leads will give you no listings, and no listings will give you won't be able to use the leverage as you need to.
That's it.
Everybody, I think, may you have a fantastic week. What you focus on will expand. Your focus is energy flows. So whatever you're going to focus on will expand. Make it worth it, the things that you are focusing on. Focus on the good things, the things that will bring you more money, more time, and will make your world better. Have a fabulous weekend. Okay. We will see you on Monday. Thank you, Peter.
Yes. Yeah, see you Monday. Thank you very much.